stop trading with one hand tied behind your back. If your broker isn't giving you the pro-level tools and access you need, you're already missing out. Now, what I want to show you first is the market access, because this is one of the biggest deciding factors when choosing a broker. If you're on this page, you can see straight away that Pepperstone gives you access to 1,300 assets, all available as CFDs. That's a huge range. It means that you're not boxed into just one or two markets. You've got all the major Forex pairs. So whether you're trading Euro USD, GBP JPY, or the more volatile crosses, you're covered. But it doesn't stop at FX. You've also got commodities like gold, silver, and oil, which is massive when there's geopolitical tension. Then there are indices, all from one place. On top of that, you've got shares, you've got ETFs and even crypto CFDs. The key benefit here is opportunity. Markets rotate, and sometimes Forex is moving cleanly. Sometimes it's US indices. Having access to 1,300 instruments with tight spreads means you're not sitting there waiting for one pair to move. You can shift your focus to wherever the volatility is. That flexibility is massive. When you combine that market access with competitive spreads, it means you can trade actively without unnecessary costs eating into your edge. And in trading, costs matter more than people realize. Let's talk about platforms. You're not forced to use some clunky in-house platform that barely works. Instead, Pepperstone integrates with the industry's best platforms. You've got MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, CTrader, and even TradingView. That's a big deal. MT4 and MT5 are industry standards. If you're more into advanced order flow and cleaner execution tools, CTrader is a favorite amongst many serious traders. And then there's obviously TradingView integration. A lot of traders already use TradingView for charting because it's clean and packed with community tools and custom indicators. Being able to trade directly from that interface means you don't need to constantly switch between platforms. The other benefit is flexibility. You can trade on PC, you can trade on Mac, and you can trade on mobile. So whether you're at your desk analyzing higher time frames or you're using the interface that you're most comfortable with, and that comfort actually matters. Now let's move on to account types, because this is where trading style really comes into play. Not every trader operates the same way. Pepperstone offers different account structures to match that. For example, the Razor account is commission-based, with commissions from just $3.50 per side. This is ideal for traders who want extremely tight raw spreads and don't mind paying a clear commission per trade. A lot of active traders prefer this model because it keeps spreads as low as possible, which is crucial if you're trading frequently. Then you've got the standard account. This is where the cost is built into the spread. This can be simpler for newer traders who prefer not to calculate commissions separately and just want an all-in spread model. The important thing here is choice. You're not forced into a one-size-fits-all pricing structure. You can actually select the cost structure that fits your specific trading strategy. If your strategy relies on tight entries and exits, the Razor account might make more sense. If you prefer simplicity and fewer moving parts, the standard account could be better. Let's talk about smart trading tools, because this is where you can really level up your workflow. Pepperstone offers access to 28 smart trading tools designed to give traders an edge. This includes tools like Auto Chartist, which scans the market automatically for chart patterns and trade setups. Instead of manually analyzing dozens of charts, you can have technology highlighting potential opportunities for you. There are also API options for traders who want to automate strategies or integrate algorithmic systems. The big benefit here is depth of analysis and efficiency. These tools help you analyze the market more thoroughly and streamline your workflow, whether that's pattern recognition, volatility analysis, or automation. You're not just relying on basic charting, you're enhancing your decision-making process. In competitive markets, small edges compound. Better analysis, faster workflow. These are the things that separate consistent traders from inconsistent ones. When you combine access to over 1,300 assets, industry-leading platforms, and 28 smart trading tools, you're looking at a broker built to support traders at every level from beginner to advanced. If you're an active trader, there are added benefits too. You can earn rebates based on your trading volume. Means the more you trade, the more value you can potentially unlock. There's also a referral program where you and a friend can both earn perks, including benefits like commission-free trade. With terms applying, it's a simple way of adding extra value just by sharing the platform. It's a complete ecosystem built for traders who want professional-grade tools, flexibility, and account choices tailored to different styles. Head over to the link in my description to explore the platforms and see which account type fits your trading style best.